Hello and welcome to this week's Fundamentals. My name is Thomas and I'm the host of this channel. This week I want to remind you all of why you were invested in cryptocurrencies in the first place. So this is more or less a supportive video if you're currently into cryptocurrency and you see your money really disappearing by checking your wallet and your exchanges every time. So I will give you the reasons of why I'm invested in cryptocurrencies, even though these bearish times and the bad news. Now we currently also heard that Russia is starting to ban cryptocurrency, so overall it's not very good news. But the fundamentals stay the same. So my first reason why I invest in cryptocurrencies is by allocating my money in cryptocurrencies and not into our current financial system, I'm voting for a better financial system. One of the reasons is that cryptocurrency is accessible 24/7. With the current internet age, we can no longer accept that banks are only open from 9 to 5. So they're open when you are working. This doesn't make any sense. Imagine that your favorite web shop is only open from 9 to 5, and in the weekend, there is nothing open. So the same should be for the currency that we are using. Next to that, I believe that currency and financial products should be available for everyone, not only for the rich. So there is a lot of countries in Africa and South America where not everyone has access to financial systems. This is purely because branches don't want to go to rural areas where they can't gain a lot of clients, because obviously they want to be profitable. So they don't want to give access to everyone. They only want to give access to the people that can give them a return. And cryptocurrencies, as long as you have a smartphone and you can get a smartphone, you have access to it. So with investing in cryptocurrencies, you believe that everyone should get access to financial tools. Then the next one is DeFi return. So DeFi is decentralized finance, meaning that I can borrow out money to a lender without any middleman in between. I personally earn up to 15% with DeFi. There is no bank that can offer you that. There is no tool that can offer you that. So I really believe in DeFi as a good way to get a passive income. So currently, if you put your money at the bank, they probably charge you a negative interest rate, while they're also earning money on lending out your assets. This doesn't make any sense. You don't need the bank as a middleman anymore. You can lend out your own assets directly to the lender and get money in return. That is DeFi. Then also the transaction speed. So banks currently need up to 2 working days to do a transaction. This doesn't make any sense because cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, the slowest one of all of them, takes 20 minutes and the fastest one is instant. So within a couple of seconds. So even on that part, the banks are just losing. They can't speed up the transaction speed. Then we currently see a lot of money printing of the dollar, of the euro. So we are going to see inflation. So inflation means that your money and your purchase power is decreasing every year. So currently they are expecting an inflation of 7% per year. This means that you need to gain at least 7% that year to break even. So imagine you invest all your money into the stock market. If you won 7% in a year, you had a good year. So in the best case scenario in the stock market, you break even. So you have to put your money in riskier assets just in order to get a positive return, because they are just printing your money away. Because by the government printing more money, the asset of the dollar or the euro becomes less scarce and you're losing purchasing power. So the government is responsible for you losing purchasing power. And by putting your money into crypto, you're able to get higher returns. We will also have bigger downfalls, but on the long term, it's an inflationary asset, meaning it's a deflationary asset, meaning that it becomes worth more over time. Then besides that, I also don't believe in the central control, because the central control is the whole reason we are in this mess. I believe more in a decentralized control where the people that are actually using the system also have the voting power to make changes in the system. And this is what cryptocurrency does. So these are my main reasons why I'm investing in crypto and why I don't feel bad when I see that the market is crashing and the prices go down. Because the fundamentals stay the same. It is just a psychological thought about how people perceive cryptocurrency at this point. So I hope this was valuable information for you. I hope this also gives you room for thought. I would like to hear your comments. Please leave them below. And I hope to see you next week. Bye.